Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So there is a new mythical epic in Prodigy. We are going to be reacting to it, and then we are going to be battling with the new epic. So yeah, let's just get in the video. Before I say anything, we are going to be hacking to get this pet. Don't hack. And yeah, let's just get into the video. So we start watching the video, and nothing's popping up right now. Hopefully something does pop up though. Okay, but one more thing. Here we have a picture of what Chillin' Char looks like. This is absolutely insane. So it looks like it's going to be purple with a dog-like tail, kind of. This is really cool. So it does have the horns. Hard space kind of looks very weird. Chill looks weird, but they're called Shiver and Scorch now. So this is Scorch, so this is Shiver. This part is like the rock because they would kind of like melt together, I guess. If we go to the pet mythical epics, we now have Chillin' Char. For some reason, Chillin' Char isn't up on this thing yet, which is weird. I'm surprised I didn't see that lion tail when we first saw it, but I'm gonna try and watch the video. I'll try it on a different account, but it might not work yet. Not sure why it wouldn't, though. Okay, so it looks like we are just going to do a battle with it on a hacked account. So yeah, let's just get that and get into that. Okay, so here we go. We can actually watch the video now. Let's see what they got us say. Yeah, so it's basically going to be the same as the other ones. So yeah, it's basically just going to be the same. I can just feel the... Okay, so let's see if they give us a better review of it. So they just give us the overall view of what it's like. There again is the Chillin' Char. No new thing here. Something in the mail though. But we're not going to worry about that. We are just going to go straight into hacking, sadly. So, like I said, don't hack Prodigy because it's bad. Let's see if it gave us that, because normally it doesn't work the first time. Yeah, I'm gonna have to reload the page. Okay, so we are going to add them again. I wish one thing that they would do is add gear for the mythical epics. And this is lagging a lot. Bruh. Okay, so we now have one Chillin' Char. Let's see if it's actually there. Here we go. Here is Shiver and Torch. Very cool. And insanely big. So now I'm going to put the pet on our team. Get all epics. Let's see if that makes it work. And there we go. We now have Shiver and Scorch on our team. So I'll look over this pet. Go to the end. So Shiver and Scorch are best friends, but not because they are a body, but because their abilities complement each other so well. So it's got about an even hearts to power ratio. Its element is water. And let's get into a battle against a fire type. And I'm going to put Chillin' Char as the first pet we are going to use. Okay, so here we go. We are just going to get straight into this battling And yeah, 2 pucks against this thing that is insanely huge. I'm going to go ahead and use a down portal right here. And we don't even have to do math. This thing looks really cool that it does for its animation. But this thing, again, is insanely big. So, it's barely even doing any damage to us. And one thing that I didn't look at is how much it does. 2,788 fire on fire. Let's see how much it can do with a water move, because I was not paying attention. Use torrent. Again, this looks really cool. 4,139. So, alright. Kind of what you would expect with a half power, half whatever. And yeah, we're just gonna go straight ahead and win the battle. So yeah, there we go, we win. And yeah, that's pretty much gonna end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, don't hack. Bye.